If you have diabetes or care about someone who does, stop and watch this before trusting GlucoMax, because what I found is deeply concerning and could actually put lives at risk. GlucoMax is heavily advertised as a modern glucose meter that promises fast, accurate readings, and even hints at painless or non-invasive blood sugar testing, specifically targeting seniors and diabetic patients with claims of FDA approval, doctor endorsements, and advanced medical technology. But the reality is very different. Quick disclaimer before I continue. This video is strictly for education and awareness. I am not promoting or selling this product. I'm exposing it so you don't fall for misleading medical marketing. After carefully reviewing the product, its claims, and available data, there is no evidence that GlucoMax is FDA approved, FDA certified, or listed in any official medical device database. And health authorities have repeatedly confirmed that non-invasive glucose meters sold online, such as finger scanners, smart rings, or clip-on devices, cannot accurately measure blood glucose. Many of the endorsements shown in GlucoMax ads appear to be fake, including AI-generated doctors and false claims of support from organizations like the Mayo Clinic, ADA, and other medical bodies, which is a major red flag. The customer reviews shown online rely on stock images and unverifiable testimonials, and there are no published clinical trials, ISO accuracy certifications, or transparency about how the device actually measures glucose. Based on product analysis, GlucoMax appears to be a rebranded, low-cost Chinese pulse oximeter, commonly sold online for a couple of dollars, being marketed as a glucose meter, which is extremely dangerous because inaccurate readings can lead to poor health decisions and improper insulin dosing. The results and evidence simply do not support the marketing claims. So, if you are managing diabetes, it is far safer to rely on medically approved, doctor-recommended glucose meters rather than trusting unverified online devices like GlucoMax.